Hey, my name is Cam, and today I'm excited to unbox the Biosense Fat Burn Tracker. We're gonna go over a couple features. The first one is how this product works, and the second one is how you can use the app to track your results. Let's get into it. We're gonna slide the top up, see what is inside. Looks like we have a QR code to get the app set up, and there's also a quick start guide and a user guide. Here it is, the Biosense Fat Burn Tracker. And then inside the packaging, there's a charging cable. Just make sure you have a power brick to connect it when you need to charge it. We have a sleeve, a little travel case, nice and soft here. There are 2 mouthpieces. It does come with 3, there's one attached to it already. Set this aside. Here it is, the Biosense Fat Burn Tracker. There's 2 buttons on here. First one is to turn it on, the second one is to adjust the settings. Press the power button to turn it on. It'll vibrate, it'll make a vibration sound for about up to 300 seconds to get started. Once it's done preparing itself, it'll be ready to connect it to the app so you can track your results. Now that the device is done preparing itself, we can go into what this product actually is. Now, the Biosense Breath Fat Burn Tracker measures your daily ketone dose with just a few breaths to measure how deeply and how long your body has been in ketosis. Ketosis is a process that your body does to burn fat for energy. The first feature that I'd love to share with you is how convenient this product is. It's small and portable, so I can take it anywhere I want to. Now, the second feature I want to get into is the Biosense app. The app allows me to gain insights on my fat burn, and it even goes in depth with how I can get into and stay in a state of fat burn. It gives me my daily ketone dose over weeks and months. I'm able to explore different insights to really help optimize my fat burn. And I'm able to time my fasting to make sure it syncs up with my schedule. And I can also track my daily weight loss goals as well. Well, that's it. Thanks for unboxing the Biosense Fat Burn Tracker with me on Best Buys Unboxed. My name's Cam. If you want to learn more about this product, click the link below, and we'll see you on the next one.